The future of the supercar has arrived, and it doesn't whisper, it roars with electricity and fury at the same time. Meet the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto, a machine that marks a new era not just for Lamborghini, but for performance cars as a whole. For decades, Lamborghini has been known for loud, naturally aspirated engines, brutal acceleration, and unapologetic design. But now, the brand steps into electrification without losing its soul. At first glance, the Revuelto looks like it escaped from a sci-fi movie. Sharp geometric surfaces slice through the air. The body is sculpted with extreme precision, every line designed for aerodynamic efficiency. The iconic Y-shaped LED lighting gives it an unmistakable identity, day or night. This isn't evolution, this is transformation. Under the skin, everything changes. Instead of relying purely on a traditional combustion engine, the Revuelto introduces a high-performance hybrid powertrain. A naturally aspirated V12 still lives behind the driver, but now it works together with multiple electric motors. The result is instant torque combined with screaming high RPM power. No lag, no hesitation, just pure acceleration. Press the throttle, and the car launches forward like a fighter jet leaving a runway. The electric motors respond instantly, while the V12 climbs into a mechanical symphony. It doesn't replace emotion, it amplifies it. The numbers are almost unbelievable. Acceleration happens faster than your brain can process, pushing your body deep into the seat. Speed builds relentlessly, and yet the car feels stable, controlled, almost intelligent. That's because the Revuelto isn't just powerful, it's engineered to think. Advanced torque vectoring distributes power to each wheel independently. The car reads the road hundreds of times per second. Grip increases, corners flatten. What used to feel dangerous now feels surgical. And then there's the chassis. For the first time, Lamborghini uses a new generation carbon fiber monocoque structure. It's lighter, stiffer, and stronger than before. The car becomes more responsive, more predictable, and dramatically sharper in corners. Every steering input produces an immediate reaction. The driver doesn't command the car, they merge with it. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The cockpit feels like a pilot's control center. A digital instrument display surrounds the driver, while a central touchscreen controls performance settings, media, and vehicle data. Even the passenger gets their own screen, letting them watch speed and engine information in real time. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin. Carbon fiber and Alcantara textures surround every surface. The start button hides beneath a red fighter jet-style cover. Flip it open, press it down, and the machine awakens. But despite all the technology, emotion remains the priority. Drive in electric mode, and the car moves silently, gliding through streets with futuristic calmness. Switch to performance mode, and the personality changes instantly. The V12 erupts to life, the exhaust note echoes, and the Revuelto becomes unmistakably Lamborghini again. This dual personality is the point. The car isn't abandoning tradition, it's expanding it. Efficiency when you want it, chaos when you demand it. On the road, the suspension adapts continuously, smooth in the city, aggressive on the track. The steering tightens as speed rises. Air flows through hidden channels across the body, generating downforce without massive wings. Even the airflow inside the engine bay has been engineered to cool batteries and mechanical components simultaneously. Every millimeter of the car serves a purpose. But perhaps the most impressive part is how natural it feels. With all its complexity, electric motors, computers, hybrid systems, the driving experience remains emotional and raw. The steering vibrates with feedback, the engine screams at high RPM, the car still feels alive. That is the real achievement here. The Revuelto proves that electrification does not have to erase passion. It can enhance it. It can make supercars faster, sharper, and more dramatic while still delivering the theatrical experience enthusiasts love. This isn't the end of an era, it's the rebirth of it. The world of performance cars is changing rapidly, and many feared the future would be silent and sterile. But Lamborghini shows another path, one where technology fuels excitement instead of replacing it. The Revuelto doesn't apologize for modern engineering, it celebrates it. It keeps the heart of a raging V12 and adds lightning to its veins. And as the sun sets and the engine echoes into the distance, one thing becomes clear. The supercar is not dying, it's evolving. And this is what evolution sounds like.